Hi guys, welcome to the Minimalist Mama. I'm Emily, and today I've got a fun project to show you. Just like everyone else in the world, we've been in quarantine going on 11 weeks while I'm filming this. And as a result, I've been doing quite a few different home projects using stuff that we already had. So one area of our home that was a particular pain point for me was our mudroom. And I really wanted to get this space cleaned up, decluttered, organized. It's finally complete and I can share it with you. If you like watching makeovers, give this video a thumbs up. Let's get busy cleaning and decluttering. But first, let's start with a tour of the before. That's a box of mason jars, some drywall tools, some blinds, tile. I don't know what those are. Applesauce we canned. Yeah, a bunch of extra stuff that was here in the house. More tools. More tools. Dog stuff and sunscreen. Random stuff. Light bulbs and batteries, I think. A lot of tape. More stuff for different projects. Another big flashlight. Bug spray stuff. More tools. Filters for the shop vac. And contractor trash bags. So, quite an assortment. And here we have our shoes. And this little table, the laundry basket. This thing, which Bennett has outgrown. And some other toys and stuff inside that I need to clean out. There's a bag of reusable bags and cans to get reimbursed for. A fan back there. Some brooms and stuff back there. Brian's coveralls, hats, a soccer ball. I'm not sure what's in that. So, yeah, a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. So step one was to take everything out and give it a thorough cleaning. I should explain too, this mudroom is not insulated and it has some roof issues too, and it's kind of unfinished. So this makeover is really just to make this a little bit more pleasant, just for now, before we do something else later. See this? Oh, I really don't like these doors, but I cannot figure out how to take it down. Okay, push up and then pull out. Push up, pull down. So I was unsuccessful at trying to get the door off, so I tried to clean it with it still on at first, and then later Brian actually came in and popped it off for me, so I was able to do an even better job of going over it. And now it's time to put everything back in and sort through the overflowing pile of hats, mittens, gloves, scarves, and all of that. I got rid of stuff that we just had too much of, and stuff that was worn out or not in good shape anymore, stuff that we just didn't need, and then got it all pared down and sorted through. Kids' hats and mittens and stuff in there, grown-up stuff in there, coats, sweatpants, outdoor toys, donations, reusable bags. And then it was time to repeat this on the other side, starting with taking everything out and then cleaning the shelves. all the tools that belong to the different projects that we did in our house when we remodeled. I am moving out to the garage, which is a whole nother project. So I actually put all of this extra foil and parchment out on our front porch for free. This is a great way to get rid of stuff that you no longer need or love while still maintaining social distancing, because you can post it on Facebook Marketplace and people can just come pick it up and leave the money in your mailbox. I didn't think it was possible for this side of the closet to be even dirtier than the other one, but I was wrong. I sorted through all of the tools that were remaining, including all of them in my overflowing tool bag, and narrowed it down to just one set. Now it's time for the fun part, the actual makeover. We're done with the decluttering, and now we can get to making over the space. So I'll pop up some pictures of some of my inspiration for this. I knew I had just a little bit of navy blue paint left after painting Edison's room, which I have a whole video about that you can check out, and I ended up having just enough to do this. So I started by taping off the section on the wall about a little more than 3/4 of the way up, and then just painted that section. The paint was a little old and had some dry chunks in it, so that's what I'm cleaning up right here. And I just did another coat to smooth things over. And now for the wood rack. So Brian made the wood railing, I guess. I don't know what you would call it. Where the hooks are going to go just from 2 boards at a 45-degree angle. And then I am applying some wood conditioner here. You just rub this on, let it dry for about 30 minutes before you apply the stain. And I'm using a nice dark walnut stain. You just rub this on for a few minutes and then you will wipe it off with a clean cloth. Looks really good. I'm glad you even used gold screws. Okay, so now let me take you on a tour of our finished mudroom. So I moved the shoe rack over here. We experimented with having it in the closet, but I found that most people continue to just throw their shoes here on the floor. So having it visible actually helps get the shoes put away. And now let me show you in here. This is our library book bag. Can't wait to use that again. So in here, I've used these 2 bins, one for all the boys' coats, mittens, hats, scarves, that kind of stuff, and then one for mine and Brian's hats and gloves. And then down here we have laundry, so all the laundry from the kitchen towels, bibs and stuff gets thrown out in here, and then I take that up and do the laundry when it's full. And then next to it we have a trash can, which is for cans, because we get a deposit back when we're turning cans. And then we've got a box fan and some more stuff tucked away in the back. Outdoor pack and play thing for babies, and a space heater in the back there. But here we have our winter coats and sweatshirts, things that maybe we're not wearing as much as the stuff we have hanging up here on the hooks. Up here I have a big bag of reusable bags. I may have too many of those. And then this big basket is full of stuff to donate or take to the consignment store, which I'm very eager to do as soon as they open up again. And then we have a car seat base tucked away in the back. But there's still quite a bit of space in here, which is great. And then here I hung up these 3 prints and these gold frames, which are actually from the Dollar Tree. I love these gold hooks from IKEA and how that turned out. And then in this closet, we have basically an empty shelf here. All I have on it right now is this, which is a really cool container, but I don't know what to do with it. It doesn't have a lid. If you have any ideas, let me know. I really like it because it's plain white. And then I have a box of canning jars, just because pretty useful. And then on this shelf, we've got all the outdoor stuff, chalk, bubbles, outdoor toys, sunscreen and bug spray, all the stuff for the dog is in that bag. And then in here, we've just got like random household stuff. So light bulbs, glue, you know, onion strips, that kind of stuff are tucked away in those. And then up above it, we have our tools. This is my tool bag with a set of tools, which is really handy to have so we don't have to run out to the garage. And then we've got our pet stain eraser here, and I think I'm gonna add in our hand vac here. And then up here it's empty, except for some flashlights and then bug killing stuff way up in the back corner. And then on this hook I also hung a broom and the grill spatula just because I needed a place to put it. I'm really glad the floor is clear. There's a lot of space in here. I'm not really sure what all to do with it. I have thought of using these shelves as like a pantry since we don't really have one inside the kitchen, but this room is not heated or insulated at all. So it would have to be stuff that could be frozen over the winter and hold up to heat and humidity. So that's why I haven't really used it that way yet. But these narrow shelves would kind of be great for it. But I'm glad that it's cleared out and functional. And that's it for this project. Let me know what you thought of our mudroom makeover and decluttering. I have so many other projects I've been working on while we've been safe at home these last few weeks, and I can't wait to share them with you. So be sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and you can even click the bell notification to get notified when there's a new video ready. And I will see you next time.